Joe, I want to get your view on what we're seeing, because the on-ramp for many people to understand this space is what we're seeing in terms of digital assets or cryptocurrencies trading. What do you make of what we're seeing in the market today, whether it's Ether or Ethereum, depending on your choice of word, Bitcoin, Dogecoin? Joe, what's going on?
What's going on is a crossing of the chasm. Blockchain technology is a disruptive technology. Cryptocurrencies are disruptive. Decentralized finance is disruptive. Non-fungible tokens is a profoundly disruptive technology. They are essentially holding hands and crossing the chasm into popular culture. Dogecoin is a beautiful example of a meme that has been embraced by some of the biggest megaphones, the biggest pop culture advocates in our space, Mark Cuban, Elon Musk, and Dogecoin, Bitcoin are powerful memes that have significant functionality, even though Dogecoin is sort of a play token. Ethereum is also a powerful...
What's the functionality in Dogecoin?
It's actually not very different from the functionality of Bitcoin. It's just that Bitcoin has been much more accepted as a money, and Dogecoin started as essentially a playful meme. I would argue that both are enormously similar and distinguished because they don't have a lot of functionality other than this consensus that they're sort of a money. They're distinguished from...
That's a compliment to Dogecoin and an insult to Bitcoin, perhaps.
So I believe that Bitcoin is an incredibly powerful meme. I think of Bitcoin as a non-fungible token. The whole Bitcoin system is a non-fungible token that's been fractionalized into little Bitcoin pieces so that it can be owned by so many people. And just like a really valuable piece of art that might be encapsulated in a non-fungible token, people are sharing ownership of Bitcoin, similar to how they share ownership of gold on the planet.
Do you think all the prices of these things continue to rise?
Absolutely. I mean, we're at a paradigm shift, as I indicated. We're moving from old money systems, centralized financial and economic systems, to new decentralized protocols, which have much more trust built into them. And so money that is sort of end-of-lifing after 70, 80-year debt super cycles that is not yielding very much is giving away to new forms of money that according to supply and demand, are heavily in demand and are rising in value. In addition to that, they are offering yield to many investors in these decentralized finance protocols. And so where would you want, or what sort of money would you want to hold? Would you want the old decaying money from a system that is end-of-lifing, or would you want to hold the money that is the currency of the new decentralized protocol realm?